Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 29th of November, looking at euro dollar, which had a bit of a break yesterday from the selling pressure. The 109.90 level of support that has been holding pretty much for the last month and a half, and is actually a pivot line, still is the key level of support that the market is looking at. Now, what we have on Eurodollar are these declining momentum indicators. Now, those MACD lines, bear kissing at neutral and then moving lower, is a real concern for me, considering the MACD lines are now below where they were previously when the market hit 109.90 and then bounced. You've got the RSI though, 41. I think a move below 40 would really suggest that the pressure is beginning to yield, and then that downside move is likely to be seen. But for now, the market is holding on, arguably by its fingernails. I mean, to be honest, I think the sort of relevance of yesterday's little tick higher may be reduced for the fact that it was Thanksgiving holiday and trading volumes were reduced and liquidity reduced. So it's a difficult one to really gauge, but I think that the market is still under pressure, and the rallies are not really coming through on Eurodollar. You've got this overhead resistance at 10.30 area, 10.25, 10.30, up towards 10.50, that old breakdown. And look at here, the RSI failing again around the sort of low 60s, as it has done for the past 2 weeks. MACD lines sort of faltering around that neutral point. So it suggests that any sort of rallies are struggling now on Eurodollar, and I think a downside break of 109.90 could quite well be coming, and it would be suggesting that it would be coming if you did see that RSI broken below 39. Below 40, and I think the rallies are struggling. You need a move through 110.50 to then pull into this old pivot band, 10.75 to 11 big figure. But again, as I said, you've got quite a lot of resistance overhead on a near-term basis to prevent that. But Eurozone inflation data at 10 o'clock today could have a driver, but I think that the pressure is still edging lower on Eurodollar, even though we haven't broken the support yet. It is sort of looking fairly likely that that's going to happen. So wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis of videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.